Hello, my name is Dragonstormer, and today I will be showing you how to make the best ham sandwich. Now, you're going to need some artisan bread, some uncured honey ham, a fresh cucumber, a slice of provolone, and some Miracle Whip. First, you're going to want to get a couple of slices of the cucumber. Cut the tip off, and then just get 3 or 4 slices, should be good, depending on how big the cucumber is. Then you're going to want to get your pan ready. That's right, we're going to be frying this bad boy. Just put some oil in there and heat it on medium heat until you start to see some smoke. And while that's heating up, you assemble the sandwich. Alright, you take 2 slices of your artisan bread and put some Miracle Whip on there. And take 2 slices of the ham, make sure they're folded in half. Put 1 slice on each slice of bread. Then you put your cheese on one side. And on top of the cheese, you put the cucumber slices. Then you just stick it together. And smash it down. Make sure it's nice and smushed. Alright, now that the pan is heated up, make sure you spread the oil all around the pan. Don't miss any of it. And then dump the excess oil out. Don't want your sandwich to be all oily. And turn the heat down to medium-low. And then just stick this bad boy in there. And just let it go until you see a little bit of smoke. And press down on it with the back of your spatula. Make sure it's as flat as it can be, like a panini. And again, just wait for it to start smoking just a little bit. Alright, starting to see a little bit of smoke, so it's time to flip it. But it's going to be hard to do that with one hand, so I'm going to do a little bit of movie magic here. And boom. And you're just going to want to do the same for this side. Wait for it to smoking just a tiny little bit, and then it's done. Also, make sure you press down on this side like you did the other side. Keep it nice and flat. Alright, starting to see a little bit of smoke again, so it should be done. Kill the heat and plate it up. Yum, yum, yum. And cross section, I don't know how well I'll be able to cut this with one hand. Hang on, let's do something here. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Look at that. And take a bite. Absolutely delicious. And that was how to make the best ham sandwich ever. This was Dragonstormer. See you next time.